Hey there guys, today's video we're going to be doing some fire alarm testing on the brand new Notifier 3030 we installed. We didn't quite get to do the decibel check. The decibel readings need to be noted down on the verification, and we didn't have time to do that day, so we've come back for another day, and this is currently going to be just finishing off the verification. This is the 3030 that we installed, and our booster panels, and the system is all wrapped up at this point. The only last thing that needs to be done is get some audible readings around the building, and you guys will now get to hear the fire alarm system properly synchronized, which will be good. So shouldn't be too much to do. I'll see how much I'll be able to record. There are some teachers around, which is unfortunate for them, because there's really nowhere to hide in this school. We've got horns in every room. Not sure exactly how much I'll be able to record, but I'll do as much as I can and show what I can. Yeah, fair enough. Yeah. And getting the name of the school in one line, or two lines. We are also today testing the system's isolators. This is something that we didn't get to do on our last video doing the verification here, and we ran out of time that day, but that's what we're doing today. We short out each isolated branch, what used to be a conventional zone and is now an addressable SLC branch. Each branch has to legally have an isolator. That's part of code. Every separate fire zone, stairwell, elevator shaft, anything like that has to be isolated. So what we do is we short out that isolator, make sure that isolator trips, and then at the same time, with the technician's computer plugged into the panel, we can see which devices are showing a loss of communication. Therefore, that we see that each device, we kind of kill two birds with one stone, where not only we test the isolator, but we lose those devices, so we also can verify that the devices that are lost are in the correct zone, or in the area that they should be, that isolator is protecting the area that it should be. After we did the isolator tests, we ran into some strange issues with the system, where we had a detector that was giving a dual address trouble, and we had another detector that all of a sudden threw a test failed trouble, meaning the detector failed to test itself that it's supposed to do every once in a while. And we came up with that dual address, which is completely weird when the system had been fine for 2 or 3 weeks at this point, and now all of a sudden decided to throw this. This particular detector is the one that gave the failed to test. I took the detector down, sounded like there was something rattling around, and it shook around, put it back up just to see, and it then went completely fine. System normal with that one. And the dual address, for that we popped a few detectors down, but the issue seemed to go away and it went back system normal once we put a couple detectors back up, the ones that were causing the issue. So that was a bit of a strange situation. So this one is giving a failed test, right?
Flashing red. That's what you want us to do with it. This one, I don't know if you want to double check this one.
Maybe let's just put it back up. I heard something in there. See if maybe.
See if it clears.
Yeah, I don't know. That's initializing. It's back to, that's normal if it's just flashing green. That's back normal. And why do you want me to check this one?
Well, I said that the dual address cleared up, but you could double check it. What's it say on the outside?
127.
It's still flashing like it's initializing.
And inside here, it's set to 127. Yeah, what color is it flashing?
Now it's just good, but it did a whole bunch of greens now. So
That's normal.
It's good now.
Yeah, it's set to 132.
It's set to 132 and it pulled it down.
It was blinking like really fast though.
Blinking really fast, he said.
I don't know if that means anything. These 3030 seem to be different.
Keep it off for a minute.
So that device is missing now?
Yeah, so it's just maybe give it a quick.
So how do you get a dual address then?
I don't know, maybe it was the deck. Yeah. Okay, we put it back in.
we will now be doing our decibel reading, where the technician is in some specific rooms that they needed to get a measurement in, and I am going to be initiating the system via pull stations. So we only need to do a few rooms, any room that was sort of different than the rest. So gymnasium, library, office, and then some corridors, and every other area is sort of just a repeat of the other room. So let's get it. Getting the ambient and alarm for the library. Should we have had... Right, because you're at the quieter end, yeah. Okay. Alrighty guys, that is it. All the problems that came up briefly, they have been fixed, and that was all we needed for a decibel. We just had to get a general idea, and any room, all the classrooms are the same, so we just need to get one classroom per floor, and then get any oddball areas like gym, library, office. But other than that, that's it. So that's going to be it for this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give a thumbs up. Any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down in the comment section. And if you do enjoy my channel, make sure to subscribe. Also, if you are interested, I do have an Instagram account at Pickle700 for any bonus content, stuff posted earlier than you'd see it on the YouTube, that sort of thing. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching.